Okay guys, today we're gonna draw Chainsaw Man. This guy is awesome, so grab a pen, paper, and let's get started on him. I'm gonna start up at the top of my paper and just draw a curved line, just like that. And then what I'll do is do a few more curved lines, but I'm gonna do them kind of like this, where they almost like a Wi-Fi button. You guys ever see a Wi-Fi button? So it just kind of comes down and they slowly get a little closer together. This is for his helmet. Just go all the way down. Add that one main curved line and then 4 little ones like that. All right, then we're gonna do a line that curves and brings them all together up like that. Now, before we do his teeth, for this other side of the helmet, just draw 2 curves like that, and then make not a full circle, but kind of, they're like little buttons, so little shapes like that, because the top is going to be a circle just like that. And if you want, you could maybe do the circle first, but I just like making that shape. All right, now let's go ahead and do the chainsaw off the front of the helmet. So what you'll do is draw a straight line out just like that, and then go down and draw another straight line like that. Then you'll just do a curve that connects the two, and then we'll do the exact same thing again, but just over kind of on the top and the bottom. That'll be kind of the outside, and we'll just curve around like that. And there we have it. All right, now for teeth, all you're gonna do is just these little blades, little teeth that come off the chainsaw. They look like little fins on a shark, and I'm just doing bigger ones and smaller ones, and I'm just gonna go all the way around the entire chainsaw until I have it done. So just go big and small, all the way around until we get to the other side. Now while I'm doing that, if I ever go too quick, just pause the video and then just restart it. Easy as that. Okay, perfect. All right, last, before we go do his teeth, let's add a little handle up here on the top of his head. So you'll just do a little shape like that and another one right above it for the handle. All right, on to the teeth. Now his teeth are pretty simple. I'm gonna come straight down right about here, and I'm gonna go just back and forth with these razor teeth. Just like that, back and forth, and when I get here, I'll just stop, come down, and same thing. I'll go a little smaller on the bottom, but back and forth, just like that. All right, on the side of his teeth, we'll create this curved shape, put a few lines in here. And for the bottom of his jaw, just bring a shape that comes down like that and up. Now you may be saying, why did you stop there? Well, I'm gonna put his tongue hanging out. Just do kind of this tongue shape. And I'll just add a little line like that. All right, his face is done. Let's go ahead and move on to his body before we do his arms. So come off the front of his chin, curve in like that. Let's add a little bump here and a little bump here. That's the collar of his shirt. And in between the collar, a little half circle for his tie. And then I'll just bring his tie down like that. Perfect. All right. The other side of his chest is going to be over here, and we'll go straight down on the other side. All right, now I'm gonna add his belt in here on the bottom, and we'll just keep it simple, just a line with a little square in the middle. And let's move on, and let's go ahead and do his arms with the chainsaw. So his left arm first, right below his tongue, I'm gonna do just a line like that and a line like that. That's gonna be his arm, and we'll add a little sleeve right there. I'm just erasing a little bit because I went to his tongue a little bit. Okay, now his arm, we're gonna keep it simple, come straight over, and then create a little curve like that for his fist. And just like that. Pretty simple, right? Let's go ahead and do the other side. Same kind of a thing, except we're gonna bring it up. So draw straight over and then curve down like that. And then straight like that from the inside of his shirt. And then same thing, we'll just create this little fold in his sleeve. And then his arm on that side is gonna go straight down, and I'm gonna create a little thumb like that, and then curve into a finger. And the rest of his hand is gonna be kind of hidden, so we'll just do it like that. Oh man, he's looking cool. I think I'm gonna save the chainsaws on his arms for last. So let's do his legs. On the left side, I'm gonna draw down and curve in and up. And just go in a little bit to create some kind of depth on that leg. And then the other leg will go into that. We'll just curve, keep it a simple shape. I'll give him a little pocket there and a pocket on the other side. Draw a couple lines here for the zipper. And then his shoes, I'm gonna draw this shape for like some tennis shoes. Just line on the bottom there. Keeping it simple. If I can, let's do the other shoe. Curve around like that. And up. Let's maybe go like this. This one is kind of facing us, so I'll do the same design, but kind of facing us. And then don't forget the sole of the shoe. Like that. We are almost done. Obviously, he is missing the other saws. So these saws, I'm gonna do the exact same thing as the other one. So I will go ahead and skip forward, but draw these saws just like you did on the first one. All right, guys, we have finished him up with those two saws. Now all we have to do is add some color. And there he is. I love how he turned out. I hope you guys had a good time today. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, give me a follow, hit the bell, all that good stuff. If you want to see some of the next lessons, check out some of my other videos on the channel, and I will see you guys next time.